Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn English grammar. Do oblique aldo. जरी तरी. विरोधाभास दर्शविण्यासाठी डो किंवा आल्डोचा वापर करत असतात. याचा वापर करत असताना खालील गोष्टीचा विचार करावा लागतो. फर्स्ट, वाक्याची सुरुवात डो किंवा आल्डो या शब्दाने करावी. सेकंड, त्यांच्या पुढे बट, ऑब्लिक यट किंवा इवन इफ असलेले वाक्य सोडून दुसरे वाक्य लिहावे. थर्ड, वाक्यातील बट, ऑब्लिक यट, ऑब्लिक इवन इफ हे शब्द काढून त्याच्या जागी स्वल्पविराम द्यावा. एक्झाम्पल, फर्स्ट, माय मदर वुड हॅव लव्ड दोज बट शी ऑलरेडी हॅड अ हाऊस फुल ऑफ देम. आन्सर, डो ऑब्लिक आल्डो माय मदर वुड हॅव लव्ड दोज शी ऑलरेडी हॅड a house full of them. Second, the Ottoman did not look at me but simply downed the meter. Answer, do oblique aldo. The Ottoman did not look at me, he simply downed the meter. Third, she does not know me, but I still know who she is. Answer, do oblique aldo. She does not know me, I still know who she is. Fourth, he could not pass even the matriculation examination, but he helped Sanjay Gowad. Answers, do oblique aldo. He could not pass even the matriculation examination, helped Sanjay Gowad. Fifth, he took part in the Satyagraha campaign of Gandhi, but he chose to concentrate nor the constructive program. Answer, do oblique aldo. He took part in the Satyagraha campaign of Gandhi. He chose to concentrate more on the constructive program. 6. It is fair to respect people who have done things that others haven't, but it's not right to treat them God. Answer, do oblique aldo. It is fair to respect people who have done things that others haven't, is not right, treat them as God. 7. Such heroism is easy to talk but hard to achieve. Answer, do oblique aldo. Such heroism is easy to talk, it is hard to achieve. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel.